Hello everyone, como está Capfet? It's your girl Jasmine here, and thank you so much for coming through to the channel today. Please subscribe, we got a lot going on here. Be sure that your notifications are turned on so that way you get notified whenever I post a video. We are going to be talking about why your foundation looks gray or ashy. Real talk, I've had this happen to me many times, but I found the perfect product to solve this problem. And if you want to be able to correct this makeup mistake, then definitely keep on watching. Brows I did off camera because Lord knows I do not have time to edit a 30-minute video for y'all. Alright, so let's go into the skin. And I do suffer from hyperpigmentation and dark under eye circles, as well as, you know, like this 5 o'clock shadow right here. And if you want to prevent that ashy and gray look, I highly recommend that you use color corrector. I'm currently using the Journ Beauty color corrector, and this is in Marrakesh. This has a really nice red base to help cancel out the dark areas of your face. So this product is not only to correct but to perfect your skin over time. You can use it with or without makeup, and like over the process of 2 weeks you will see a difference in your skin, the texture and all that jazz. But I'm currently using this for my dark under eye circles, spots, and my beard. So let's get into it. You really need a little bit. It is the perfect salmon color and she thick, okay? She thick. This has almond oil in it, sweet carrot oil, and those are really good for the skin. We gotta get the under eyes, and this feels so moisturizing. If you are sensitive to smells, you are going to love this because it doesn't really smell like anything. So let me actually do the chin, because I do find that the lower half of my face is a bit deeper than the center. So I'm just gonna cancel out that. The corrector is free of parabens, it's cruelty-free and vegan, and contains just really good ingredients. It's looking better already. Now I'm going to apply foundation, or actually my CC cream. So I'm just gonna take like one pump, going for a light no makeup look today. I don't know, I'm speaking too soon. So I'm just applying a few dabs. Right, she's cute. I can even use it to cancel out the hyperpigmentation of my lips, because I do have a darker upper lip area, and I feel like it's moisturizing enough to where I can use it as a balm. Instantly my lips look balanced, which actually it's really good. Next up, I'm going to just brighten the center of my face using my concealer. Dark circles where? I'm impressed. My under eye area feels very moisturized, like it's not dry at all. My skin is luminous. It is basically not gray or ashy, so I'm feeling it. And my upper lip looks like the same color as my skin, so I'm highly impressed, okay? And I've been loving using my beauty blender for everything. To apply foundation, to set my concealer, and to set my setting powder. It's just great. It's a great multi-use product too. Our base is on. She is flawless. She is cute. She is slaying. She is not gray. There are no raccoon eyes. And she is Journ. I'm gonna come back with the rest of my makeup, and I'll see you soon. Epi, that's it. My makeup is done and I'm really loving it. I was going for an all natural no makeup look today. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then definitely check out my IGTV. I'll be sure to link that below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As you can see, girl, my face is one color. Gray where? Mustache where? Raccoon eyes? Kikote, you don't see it, okay? You pas well, okay? So let me know if you like seeing these makeup 101 type videos. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share with your friends who are dealing with gray or ashy makeup. They need this video to thrive, okay? In 2020, we will be thriving. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Check out these videos right here, and woof. Vamos